If you're employed in a school district or even just a member of a school district, many districts offer STEM and STEAM programs. Those middle school and high school classes often have 3D printers that are sitting mostly idle. You can give those teachers and students a reason to dust off those printers and CAD software to produce devices that will change people's lives. There are several online companies who will print your design. Thingiverse provides easy submission of designs to 3 different services. I sent my TouchChat keyguard design to all 3 to find out what they would charge. The prices vary somewhat, but on average represent a 2/3 savings over purchasing that same keyguard from Keyguard AT. You may have a local library with a 3D printing service. The Loveland Public Library is a few miles from me, and they charge you just 10 cents per gram to print a design that you email to them. Remember that my slicer program told me the TouchChat keyguard requires 40 grams of filament? That's a total of $4 for a keyguard, and I didn't have to purchase or maintain the printer, nor did I have to purchase and store the filament. This eye chart is a listing of Facebook groups that focus on 3D printing in general, the Prusa line of printers, and the Artillery line of printers. A majority of the people in these groups are excited about 3D printing as a technology and their own 3D printer, but they've tired of printing Yoda heads and baby Groots. Their shelves are full of decorative items, and they're wondering if that's all there is to this technology. If you post to a few of these groups and describe your need, I guarantee you will hear from someone who is dying to finally use their printer to create something of real value. You may need to reimburse them for the filament and postage, but then again, you may not. Are you a member of a parents group? Could the members of the group pool their resources and purchase a printer and some filament? I suspect that every parents group harbors a father who'd love to do the research, purchase and house the printer, and become an expert in its use.